which is a classic example of return on investment. Perhaps you have an example, sir?
Certainly, a Dell PC. Allow me to demonstrate. A Dell Expert helps you get the right PC for you. Add the powerful mobile Pentium 4 processor M. Sweet. Factor in award-winning service and support, and you get great value for minimum investment. Cost-benefit analysis would be redundant.
Impressive. Not so fast, sir talks a lot.
Call or go online now and get an Inspiron notebook for $11.99, featuring a mobile Intel Pentium 4 processor M with awesome performance for music, digital photos, gaming, and beyond. And for a limited time, you'll get free shipping. Other notebooks start at just $9.99. Act now, and you could even win a $50,000 vacation. Easy to buy, easy to own, easy as Dell.